So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are absolutely fine and sound, and a lot if you are facing issue with the anti-gravity rate limit exceeded. You are unable to access and build the agents. So here are the latest update for the 5 days AI agent intensive course with Kaggle for the people who are facing issue normally also, or for the people who are completing this particular challenge over here. So let's open the anti-gravity app over here. So whenever you try to run it, means you are running any of the project or you are building any app, you are getting some kind of error that the quota is exhausted or rate limit is exhausted. Okay. So in such cases, what you have to do, you can see here we have multiple models listed over here, right? Multiple models are listed over here. So suppose here you are getting rate limit exceeded. So from here you can simply switch any other model and complete the challenges, or you can just wait for some time. Mostly there is a time limit. You have to wait for around 3 hours, 4 hours, 7 hours. After that it will work. So there are two methods. Either you can wait for it, or either you can buy the paid version, or you can simply switch the model from here and run the code over here. Whosoever is facing this issue, rate limited, they can simply switch the model, because I think there are multiple models over here, and for building a basic app or completing these particular challenges in the code labs, you can easily complete it very simply and very easily. A lot of you are asking that we are not getting email. We have registered in the 5 days AI agent course. How to access it? You can come to the discussion section, and all the agents, all the assignments are already present over here. Regarding the solution of the assignments, you can check the playlist of the video. You'll find everything, how to install the anti-gravity CLI, and all the things are available, even the solutions too. And will everyone get the swags? All things are present. You can check it, and do like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you, goodbye, and have a great day ahead.